Everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the positive clamper circuit with a positive bias. As when we are talking about positive bias, the clamper circuit itself in the positive bias mode, it will clips a portion of the output, a portion of input waveform into the onto output with a greater than 2 volts. In this case, it will clips such that when we are so in this case, we are dealing with the positive bias, right? So in this case, the output will clips again 2 volts more than the positive clipper output. So in positive clipper, if you are considering about 5 volts, right? So peak to peak 5 volts we are considered, but the output will be the entire 5 volts is shifted to on the positive of itself. So in this case, we are again dealing with 2 volts with positive bias, right? So the entire voltage will shift greater above the 7 volts. From 0 to 7 volts is the maximum voltage we are getting because of the having the output with a positive bias. Initially, it is having the when capacitor is not charged during a positive half cycle, it will charge during the it when it is gets to the negative half cycle, it will be charged to maximum voltage, that is Vm plus along with the bias voltage. So plus after that, when it is comes to another positive half cycle, so it will charges such that it is having already a capacitor voltage of Vm plus bias voltage Vr plus along with the positive voltage Vm. So Vr plus Vm plus Vi. So entire Vm both are equal, right? So whatever the voltage of capacitor is charging and the input we are getting in the positive of, that is same. So 2 Vm plus 2 volts. So totally, if you consider Vm as 2.5, then total voltage is 5 plus 2. 7 volts is our output on the other side. So let's look into this observation of this positive paper circuit with positive bias in the practical way as well as theoretical way. So now we'll understand in theoretical mode. Okay. So let's go into that. So this is our right. So during the positive half of the circle, that is means which is our input waveform, the capacitor will charge, so there is no output during half cycle, but when it is goes to negative half cycle, it is in reverse bias. So in that case, open circuit, so there is no output in the negative half also. So on such a case, the capacitor will charge to maximum voltage of Vm. Okay, and then we are having a bias voltage Vr plus when this positive half is come, so it is having already Va this one and capacitor having voltage of Vm. So entire things will like going to be add Vi plus Vm because we are considering positive bias, right? So Vr. So in the positive half clipper, we got the output such that entire thing positive with touching in the zero x-axis, but we are getting the output above the x-axis because this 2 volts, because of this positive bias voltage, we are getting a voltage of above that one. So because of having this bias voltage, we are getting an output of shifted version of 2 volts of that positive clipper. So because of positive bias, it is shifted above the shifted with these voltages. So it will get some like this is 2.5, 2.5. So 5 plus let's 7 volts. The entire 7 volts we are getting. So we'll understand in the multisim software. So don't worry, we'll understand. You can clearly notice over here output. So here you can see I have been already designed 1 microfarad diode with a positive bias and resistor, oscilloscope and function generator. So when I run this one, I have given 5 volts with 1 kilohertz frequency. Okay. So you can notice over because of the discharging of the capacitor, we'll get an small distortion in the output. So initially we are not getting, right. So when another positive cycle comes, then only we will get the output, right. So because of discharging, this will get some distortion. Okay. By choosing the proper values, we'll get the proper output. So the output is shifted 2 volts above that one. So the entire thing is 7 volts. Okay. This is how for the session of this positive clamper circuit with positive bias mode. If you have any doubts, please let me in comment box. Thank you for watching.